All right, ladies and gentlemen, Northeast Leasing here, proud to present this 2018 Ford Transit. It is the T-250 mid-roof, long wheelbase with 5,000 miles. White with the gray vinyl interior, AM/FM stereo system. It's got backup camera, power windows, power door locks, power mirrors. Super nice. Best of all, minimum damage on the body. Your front bumper looks pretty good. Your front hood looks good. Your front fender looks nice. It's your front driver's rim. Very nice. Your tire tread. It's most definitely above 730 seconds. That is correct. This door looks pretty good. This quarter looks pretty good. I just see a little ding here, one here, another one there, one above that one. Here's another one. Here's 2, 3, and 4. The little dings, 5 right here. Little dings, but they are there. And there's a dent here, 3, about 6 inches. Here's your rear driver's rim, very nice. I don't see curbing. Your tire tread is most definitely above 730 seconds. Of course, you got power windows, power door locks, your power mirrors, your front driver's seat. No holes, no tears, the rips, looks good. Let me jump into this vehicle, turn it on for you guys. It does come with 1 key fob combo and owner's manual, still wrapped up in its package. Check out pictures for more details. That's your AM/FM stereo system. You get your AC controls right down below. Backup camera. Pow. And this is what your instrument cluster looks like. You see no lights on or any issues. Your mileage of 5,233. Owner's manuals are right here. Okay. Pretty much. Keep it moving. Coming around. Rear bumper looks pretty good. These doors look pretty good. Let's see, have a little scuffing up there. Open this door up. These doors do fold open all the way. Here's, of course, what your cargo area looks like. Pretty nice. Got some dirt and stuff like that. Needs to be cleaned. The wheel wells look pretty good. Here's, of course, what your rear or one of your doors looks like. Very nice. Does have some scratches and stuff like that on this panel. That's no big deal. Here's, of course, this side, which looks pretty damn good. Again, some scratches and stuff there on this panel. We're gonna get the ladder and go up on the roof. There's a couple of little dings here, here. Some on this door, very minimum. And here we do have a dent that runs down. We'll say 10 or more. 3, 6, 9, 12, about 17 inches. All right. Check out your rear passenger rim. Very nice. I don't see curbing. Your tire tread over 730 seconds. Ladder is here. Take a look here. We do have a few dings, as you can see. Very minimum, but they are there. Some dents here, some dents there. So it's got some roof dents. All right. Check out this door, which slides open and closes very well. Boom. So what your side cargo area looks like. Very nice. Let's take a look at those dents from this side. Got a dent here in the front door, and a chip there, and another one next to it. Check this out. Boom. So we can see the dents better. So you can't even see them that good here in this angle. There we go. Thank you. All right, front passenger door, front passenger seat. With no holes, no tears, no rips to that one. Front fender looks good. Front passenger rim looks good. I don't see curbing. Your tire tread is over 730 seconds. Lights, our working car is on. Things are beautiful. Folks, once again, this is a 2018 Ford Transit T-250 mid-roof long wheelbase with 5,000 miles. Questions, concerns, I'll hesitate to ask. Thank you and happy bidding.